Hello guys, today I show you how to remove this background in the Photoshop by using select and mask. So I open Photoshop now. I drag this picture to the Photoshop. Okay, so I unlock this layer, duplicate this layer, right click on it. Yes. And then so I'm using select and mask, so it's come up here. Select and mask. So you can choose this color, any color you want. I choose red and I choose this overlay. Come up here, overlay. Oh, sorry. You can reduce this capacity. And then select here, draw around her. I'm sorry. Sorry. And then what's next? Select here, here, here to reduce. Yeah, and select here to delete this yellow. And make sure this I choose this 35, 49 or 50. This is the size. Yeah. Okay. But if you recover, you use this to recover. Example, you see, this is to delete. And then after you done it, click OK here, and click here, select here, click mask, unlock this. You see, this is our achievement. So you can use this to other tools. See, very nice. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.